Hi, in this video I will be using Panasonic razor blade shaver with 6 blades as a styler. I made a couple of videos about this razor blade. I will link a playlist in the link here at the top of the screen, and using integrated trimmer I plan to give some a little bit of style to my beard and check whether this will be possible to do with combination of the razor blade shaver itself and with integrated trimmer. I used trimmer before in my previous video just to shave off the stubble, and now I have like around 11-12 days stubble beard. I can show you how long is the hair. The hair is dense and quite stiff, and it grows in any direction it wants without my control. And so I plan to keep the mustache. I plan to keep a line going down. I plan to keep some line on the chins a little bit. The chin itself I will clean, and I will also give it a little of style in here on my neck. It's not like I really want to wear this kind of style, it's just for fun to check whether I can shave off the majority with a styler, with a trimmer, and then over those places just to make a clean shave. If I will not succeed to bring a proper style, I will use a hand shaving razor blade just to work on the places to actually achieve the desired style. And reviews of the hand shaving are also in my designated playlist. Go check them in the pop-up window, and let's start. Alright, so looks not bad, and I will try right now to shave exactly this area with the razor itself, and we will see if I can make this kind of precision shaving. Let's go. So far, not bad. The cheek is smooth right now. I will try to reach with the razor blade only closer over here. Okay. And I need to try to reach here a little bit. Alright, let's see if I can make identical style on the other side. Alright, it is not identical, but idea is exactly the same. Now, in this shaved with the trimmer only area, I will fold down the trimmer and I will try to reach and clean everything with the razor. As you can see on the shaving head, the razors itself, they protrude outside of the head quite enough, so I believe it is really not an impossible task. Okay, that part is done. That's how my face looks so far. Let me try to shave off the chin just for fun. Oops. So I will engage the trimmer. Alright, let's say this is the crazy style I want to have. For example. So I will now, in order to reach in such a narrow area on the chin, I will have to flip my shaver like so. Alright, I would say that this part, chin and neck, is smooth. By the way, it was really nice here on the neck, there is no any irritation. Cool. I can work a little bit here. Alright, that's completely crazy. Look, now I will want to just clean up the neck and make a nice contour on this side and of course on this side. The trimmer cannot really pick up this hair at the very bottom of the beard on the neck, so I will make a contour and the remaining part will be shaved off with the shaver. I think something like so will work out for me. Check it out. Without contour, with contour. Oh, now I need to close trimmer. Okay, looks not bad. Now I will make a contour here. Engaging trimmer. Up. Okay, contour is done. Now I will shave clean. Maybe I need to clean the shaver a little bit. Alright, continue. Alright, I can consider this as a good result with a small exemption that I cannot reach this hair. Should be not a problem with the handheld shaving razor. I can work out in here and also here. Alright. Let me see. Overall, as you can see, without razor, without the sharp razor with replaceable blades, just with the electrical shaver and with integrated trimmer, I was able to achieve some kind of crazy style where my areas on the neck, on the chin and on the cheeks are smooth and the style is in place, I would say. And I did not have to use like old school razor blade, you know, this like a really old school one. So, and still I got no irritation this time because I was concentrated on making a style, and because the areas where I eventually had to make a cleaner shave with the shaver were relatively narrow, I did not use much force with applying the shaver, and that actually resulted in even a better shaving achievement, and I don't have any irritation, and my skin is just a tiny bit pink over here, unlike after a normal shave where I like to shave my entire face, and then like in this case I would have eventually shaved everything on my face, and then I would start really like shaving intensively and trying to achieve the best result, and it will be just more intense pressure applied on the skin, and I would have ended up with much more pink skin on my neck and overall. But because I was concentrated on making the shaving very precise and accurate, the results are great. So that was it. Nice, smooth, clean shave. Pretty much precise. Of course, if I spend another 3 minutes and I use hand and shaving razor and I just go over every single contour, it will become just a perfect shave. But just for the shaver with integrated trimmer and with a skilled hand, the results are cool. So thank you for watching. Smash like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next reviews. Bye.